So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing super fine. So today I'll be doing this brand new UI challenge of the music player. So yeah, here we go. Actually, I've already selected the color palette also. You can see the codes for this. This is a general white, that is FFFF. And yeah, so today will be a music player. So what I'll be doing is I'll be actually starting with the top part. So let's begin with the creating a small rectangle. Maybe I will give a rounded corners. So this one, I will remove this and I'll just give a black. Why don't we give a complete black and maybe make this red? Um, okay, not problem though. We'll just make this 0 and then the 0. So yeah, a pretty good difference here. And then what I'll do is I'll have to get assets from the previous files. So I'll go to this file so that it looks completely like a mock-up. Deselect this. This was a previous. Do check out the video for this also. I posted on the YouTube. So yeah, Control C, close this. Control V. Okay. So we have our UI elements there, like the mobile UI part, and then I'll drag a little more this so that we get enough space to put our music player, music player, music player, and then I'll take it to white, completely white. So center line, then there is a back button. So for that I think I'll go with a simple one. Okay, we'll have our guides to actually guide us while making this button, so it's easy for us. I'll make it smaller in such a way that it is tappable also. Okay, I'll go white, all white, and then I'll increase the weight of this, width of this, weight of this. So I'll keep everything curved. So I'll center line this. Oh, something just happened. Center line this. So we have enough. We have enough things here. We'll give a search icon on the top. CRCH search icon. So we have a lot of options here. I'll go with something. Maybe I'll go with the basic Metro. No, I'll actually go with iOS search. Okay, it's too much. Okay, this is the one I actually like. It has this handle kind of thing also. It's not a simple one. It'll be nice. So I'll take this to this. Maybe I'll reduce the size of this. So yeah, I'll take it to perfect. I'll make this center line and maybe white. Yeah. So our header of the music player is done. So for this now, what I'll be doing is I'll be actually giving a complete background. Okay. So for this, I'll take an image from this plugin called Unsplash Random Image. So we'll have a random image generated. So I'll just copy the another part for this. This one will go lighter, like it'll go as I'll send this back completely. So we do not have this part. So I'll just make it a smaller one, smaller version of the same thing, where we can actually put our. I think I'll have to go a little more lighter for this. Okay, so we have our backdrop as well as the image. So I think this looks fine. What I will be doing is I'll actually give a tab here saying uh, album art, album art, or maybe details, not album art, details, D D E T A, details, and then I'll go with the lyrics. So if we swipe, it'll go lyrics also. Lyrics. Okay. So we have a. I think we'll have to make this a little more smaller than something around 16. Okay. 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 167. 160. What has happened to me today? And yeah, thank you for making help me reach 50 subscribers. Thanks a lot. It means a lot to me. So yeah, we'll keep this apart. I don't know why I don't like keeping things apart. Okay, I'll keep this center line itself. For this now, what I'll do is I'll actually give a line from here to here, not completely, and I'll give this red color so that people know where they are. And I'll go. I actually have to download this font called DM Sans. It is really interesting. So I'll go to Google Fonts, Google Fonts, FONTS. So yeah, we are here, and then I'll actually type DM Sans. We'll have DM Sans here. We'll download the family. So we are in the desktop, but I'll go to Work, Fonts, and save here. So what I'll do is I'll open my file explorer where I saved Work, Fonts, DM Sans, extract here. Okay, yes, no, little overlap. So what I'll do is extract files, extract DM, extract here, extract here. Never mind. So it's OFL and readme, right? Just all. Okay, it needs to be Control Z. Okay, no problem. I'll just install it all. So yeah, that is there, and now we'll actually make changes for our complete. Only 3 items are there, so I'll go D. Sense we already have it synced in here, so we have a pretty good font here. I'll go this with maybe okay. There is a regular, and I'll go here with medium. So we have the difference also. I'll go increase the weight of this and make it rounded corners. So yeah, here's what our this looks like, and maybe we could put some details here like random song. So this is not going to be medium. It will be somewhere around regular itself. Shift C, and I'll just bring it a little down. I'll bring this one down, and I think I'll make this maybe 20. This one down, so it will become random album. Shift C, and we have our medium. This will go to regular, as it's not more important. Random album by random artist. So yeah, we have our thing here again. I think we'll have to make this. Okay, looks fine to me. Random artist, random song by random artist in a random album. Okay, so what else is required here? Maybe the timing, duration. So yeah, I'll keep it somewhere around 3 minutes 45 seconds. Okay, so we have our time also, or I think this is enough. Actually, this is enough. We do not give time because we'll always be giving it here. So what I'll do is I'll actually maybe create a rectangle. Okay, so yeah, it's our play button. I'll remove this. Play button looks pretty good. I'll centerline this, see, and then we'll have our stop button. Stop button, it was all maybe before our times. Like stop button used to be in the players because it used to quit the music application itself. Like that's why they might have removed in these days music player. There's play and pause, but I'll keep it for old time's sakes. So what I'll do is I'll actually go for a previous. Huh. Skip previous. Skip forward. Okay. You can actually make it. So this two will also be in white. It's going to be white. Okay. These are not changeable fonts. So we have our this part. I think I'll have to make it a little more smaller. Yeah, looks fine. Maybe what I was thinking was, so this one I'll be putting a line here regarding this part, and then so I'll go with the red one. And then I'll copy paste this so that I can make this line white so that it shows that indication. The line is very thin. I'll make it a little thick and maybe give this a rounded corner. Even this is a rounded corner. Oh, this is there. Then we'll put our shuffle icons part now. Shuffle, yeah. Okay, actually I like this one as a shuffle. I'll remove this. Shuffle, repeat, and then what do we have? What else do we have? Functions. Add to playlist. Add to. Okay. Wait. Let me just go for flat icons and check what this add to playlist look like. Most of them are okay. Add to playlist looks good. I can use this icon, but okay. This is also nice, but I'll go with this. I'll make it more simplified in there. So yeah, I'll save it anywhere, and then I'll take it to here. So once we have this, okay, Control C, and delete this. Control V. Okay, I made a mistake. So this is not. Control G. We get that. We'll delete unnecessary items here. Delete. We take it here and make it smaller. I think I'll give a border also. Border will go white, and this will go white, so that it matches with our icons here. Okay, so I'll keep. Okay, I think I'll have to group this now. Control G. Center line and equidistance. Control G, Shift C, Shift Control G again, and we have it is bigger than those icons, and I don't want that to be like that. What I'll do is I'll actually remove this thing here. 0.5. This looks fine, and this should go to maybe 2 is fine, or 1 is fine, and I'll make it smaller. So yeah, this is what our okay. Control G, and then we'll make it center lined. So yeah, our music application is complete, and I'll actually make it more smaller. Sorry for the disturbance. And yeah, we'll just finish it off. So yeah, our design is complete. We'll give more spacing here so that it looks like it is having something nice to look at. Give enough spacing, maybe not join. Okay, this looks fine to me, and maybe this looks a little awkward, but okay, not a problem. We are looking fine. So yeah, thank you for making I thank you from my wholeheartedly for making 50 subscribers possible. And yeah, keep on supporting me the same way, and do like my videos, share completely, watch my videos, turn on the notification bell, and yeah, to share love in the same way, support people, support me, and yeah, thank you for watching again, and see you in the next video.